What's up guys, my name is Herman and you're watching Raw Squad. And this video is about a challenge that me and Jason did that we agreed on 3 months ago to run half a marathon, both of us. But the trick is I have to finish it 30 minutes faster than him, which means he starts to run first and after 30 minutes only I join in, and if I overtake him before the finish line, I win the race, I win the pride, the respect, and also 70 euros.
I used to not be able to run 900 meters without getting, upset and almost having to go home. And now we can run 10K as a warm-up.
Yeah. And as far as I remember messing with Jason Seago saying like, dude, I think I'm gonna run marathon faster than you're gonna run half marathon.
Yeah. There was something, I really don't remember, dude.
The reason why we chose 90 days is because, well, all the official races start only in summer, but that would mean too much time for us to practice. So we agreed to make a challenge unofficial and just create our own race around this lake. I think the first month I ran no more than 45 kilometers. And like the very first day that I ran, I was in the gym on a treadmill. Started running just for half an hour, see how far can I go. And I ran 5 kilometers in half an hour. And man, I was dead. I had blisters. I was breathing like a maniac. By the end of January, I ran 6 kilometers in half an hour. So it's like every time I did a longer run or compared it to the previous run, I could definitely feel that it was becoming easier and long distance is becoming more sustainable in the long run.
Why did you think you do it? What motivated you?
Shit, dude. I really didn't like running, and I didn't like having to work out, and I didn't like having to, to push myself to do things that I didn't really want to do. The first 6 weeks, I wasn't doing anything much. I was drinking a lot, smoking a lot of cigarettes. It's not fun. It's not fun running. It's not fun getting out there and doing that. And it's not fun to do the race. What was fun was being done. And but I guess that's worth it in the end.
My theory was if I just start running just a little bit, but often, that would be way more beneficial rather than 10 kilometers in one day, and then I will be broken for a week.
Today's the day when I'm running from work 8.5 kilometers. It's been a short day and I'm like, well, it's not that far.
We're still running, halfway through. Whew. 100-meter break and we'll continue. Let's go. 8.5 kilometers done. Took me 50 minutes. But the second month, yeah, February, I was running way more. I think in total I ran around 70, 80 kilometers. Yeah, I think around 80.
Do you think you're gonna continue running?
Yeah, I do think I'll continue running. I think I'd like to do some 5-kilometer or 10-kilometer races.
3 days until the run, the big day.
He's gonna lose.
No, I mean I fucked up my back and my neck, but it's alright. A couple of days ago Jason had a panic attack, so yeah. It's not about the skill, it's about running shoes. That's right.
On race day, woke up, I felt actually pretty good because the 2 days up to the race, I had been eating well and drinking and hydrating.
Running to the starting point, because walking is fucking boring. I am the tiger.
We're about to start, people, about to start. Shit is getting real. 500 kronos on the line. Reputation. Yeah, we go that way back. And
are we gonna go this way?
Yeah.
Oh, dope. Alright.
Yeah,
I'll go with you guys. I'll give you the initial
start.
What I like the most is that I can walk up stairs now without getting tired.
Yeah, I started to feel only bad on like 19th, 18th kilometer, something like that. It's this uncharted territory where you don't know how your muscles feel, how your body feels. I got super hungry, super tired, just started to hit the brick wall when every half kilometer I would stop, start shouting like fuck, 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 continue running, slow down again, continue, god damn it. And then Shaiba told us, Edmunds, he's like, yeah, we burnt around 2,200 calories per run.
Yeah.
And I'm like, no shit, I got hungry, man.
Break it, you gotta Woo! Not letting go. Timer countdown 30 minutes. Let's see if you win.
1 hour 42 minutes waiting for Jason. Man, I'm so fucking tired. So what do you think? He's gonna make it?
Huh? I don't know. It was hilarious, you know, both of you came by. You came by first and you're like, man, I've never ran this fast and everything. You're super confident. He comes after 6 minutes, same thing. He's like, I've never ran this fast before. I got this.
Edmunds is finishing. Jason is still not in sight.
Finish line. Yeah, well done, man.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right.
That's really well done. There, Jason comes. There he comes, dude.
What?
Come on!
Yeah! Come on! Yeah! Yeah! You made it.
8 minutes basically.
So,
Who won?
Jason,
Jason won. He had 8 minutes left.
What happened?
you won.
You won, dude.
I fucking won.
Where am I?
That's what I'm
That's
talking
right,
about.
that's right.
Give me a fucking beer. That's what I'm talking about. Oh shit.
It's overall had a positive impact on both my own physical well-being and also on the mental aspect about it, of being able to work hard, and then the friends who came out and supported us.
Yeah.
And also didn't support us the whole way through, you know, as almost as motivation to keep doing it.
The next challenge is probably going to be something connected with music, trying to push our, again, push ourselves out of comfort zone, and probably going to perform a bunch of songs in front of people with a limited time of preparation. So we're also like on the edge of being prepared and not. So it's going to be interesting. And I guess for now that's it. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you next time.
Let's never do that again. At the end there was like a sign and the graffiti at the on the other side 42 question mark.
Oh.
And I was like, yeah.
Not today.
Not today.